Guys, how's it going? So this is a little update video and a bunch of stocks I'm going to talk about, like Tgod, the whole Tgod stock price, capital raise, and my thoughts behind it. And my whole update of my stock market mastery group. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll start talking about it as I go along. So I want to talk a little bit, before I talk about Tgod, I kind of want to talk a little bit about New Age Beverages and India globalization capital. From what I read, just a little bit of what I read, it seems like Indian globalization capital is rising on the fact that they're getting into CBD drinks. I think that's not a good enough reason for the stock price to rise so high, but who am I to say? It's still undervalued. It's $279 million. I'm definitely gonna be doing a video about IGC because it's interesting, and I'm gonna be releasing it on my stock market membership group. So like, if you guys wanted to know I'm gonna do a high quality video. I'm not gonna just do a cheesy video where I go on and I talk. No, I'm gonna have high quality information, and it's gonna be for my members. And if my members request it to be released on YouTube, I will release it on YouTube. So this is gonna be exclusive video. I'm telling my members ahead of times. The 5 members that joined my group, that's right, 5 people joined my group. That's not that, that's okay, growth. I mean, whatever. I'm gonna cater. If there's 2 guys in there, I'll cater to 2 guys. If there's 5 guys in there, I'll cater to 5 guys. The more members there are, the more I am motivated to, cater to my members versus to my YouTube audience. So if you guys have, I'll talk about that later, but I just gotta say that I'm gonna make a dedicated video on IGC. Today I sold New Age Beverages. I sold 500 shares. I made a mistake. I thought because the stock rose so much in the short time that it was gonna have a pullback, but it didn't. It just kept rising. I only sold off half. I only sold off half my position. I still have that half. If you were in my membership group, you would have known ahead of time. But then, if you knew ahead of time, you could have sold. You would have sold too, and you could have messed up and lost out on even more profits. But whenever I sell, I don't ever sell my full position, because just in case the stock keeps rising, I can make more money, right? So I made a mistake today, but I will update you guys every time I sell or buy, because I'm not very good at selling, but I'm okay at buying. I'm pretty good at buying, actually. I would have to say I'm pretty good at buying. I make pretty good buys, but when it comes to selling, I kind of screw up sometimes, not always. I'm way better at buying than selling, just my opinion. Tgod raised $75 million today for selling shares at $6.85 with $9 warrants, and Tgod stock tanked. So every time a company goes out and raises capital, I've seen it multiple times in the market, like multiple times in the market. Whenever a company goes out and raises money, 90% of the time the stock will tank. So this was exactly what happening. They raised money and the stock tanked. But the stock price raising kind of worries me a little bit, because it shows that, okay, I thought Aurora was gonna buy into the Green Organic Dutchman and then help them raise money, but it was the opposite. Like, they're not doing that. And Tgod goes out and he announced a bought deal of $75 million. So the whole Cam Batley leaving Tgod, and the whole fact that Tgod's raising money just a couple days after, is there some kind of argument within Aurora, or with the management of Aurora and Tgod's management? Like, there's something going on in the background. This is a speculation, by the way. I don't take my word on it. This is just complete speculation, because basically the stock market is speculation until you have real facts. So unless I have a real fact, this is all speculation. But I'm thinking that Aurora is no longer going to be investing in Tgod. So that worries me a little bit about whole Coke deal and Diageo deal. If they are not going to be raising money through Aurora, instead just, you know, through Canaccord Genuity Corp, it worries me a little bit, you know? It worries me a little bit that Aurora is not helping Tgod raise money and Tgod is going to Canaccord Genuity Corp. So, yeah, I'm definitely worried. I'm definitely worried about this whole news. So, I mean, do I plan to buy more Tgod? If it hits a certain price, and if you guys want to know when I buy Tgod, join my stock market membership group. I'll update you as soon as I make a buy. I can send out viral emails, so I can send out emails all at once to all of you guys. A couple people joined my group. I don't know how they did it, but they joined my group. They weren't able to access my course, which included 6 videos, but they joined it, so they were on my email list. So I had to get rid of them because they didn't pay me to be in that email list. So I got rid of them. I deleted the account. I don't know if they can rejoin, but don't try to join my account. Don't try to join my membership group without paying, because I will delete your account, because it's not fair to people who pay their services to get, and they get free notification of every time I buy and sell a stock. That's not right. So if you want to be part of my email list, which I plan to email every time I buy and sell, join my membership group. It's on sale for the next 6 days or 7 days until October 7th, until midnight of October 7th. So join before the prices increase to $40. Namaste. Oh, I mean, I like seeing this price tag because it's going towards my price target of close to $2, because that's when I plan to start adding to my position, around $2. I feel really bad for people who bag hold. I mean, I try to warn you guys. I was like, every time a company raises capital, stock price usually declines. That's why I followed my gut instinct from all the time I've been in the market. I've been in the market for a long time. Every day I wake up, I'm always reading the news. I'm always like looking at stocks. I'm always, you know, trying to learn more and more and more every day, because, you know, knowledge is power, and I want to try to be able to achieve a billionaire, you know, in my lifetime. I don't know if I ever will. I mean, I'm already set for life, but I'm motivated to keep going. It's a game to me. I'm motivated to keep going, to see how high I can rise. And that's also another exciting thing too, because like my whole YouTube video is about, you know, getting rich, making a lot of money, and, you know, so yeah, so, you know, I not very good at these videos, but I'm just saying it's exciting. You guys are seeing a storyline unfold in front of you. Like when Aurora was almost hitting $5, I was so depressed, but I was like, I don't care, I'll put money into the stock anyways. It's such a good price to buy. And the next day, Constellation brand comes out and say, well, we're investing $5 billion into Canopy, and then the stock rose. And then I switched my mindset from Aurora to Canopy, because I knew Canopy was the safer company. So I was selling off all these stocks, and then I was just funneling money into Canopy. I put over $250,000, $260,000 originally into Canopy. I sold off a little bit of my original amount, but still, I still have a lot of shares in Canopy Growth. A lot of shares into Canopy Growth. So, okay, this is it for the stock market news. Now I'm getting on to the whole membership area. So you guys can just turn this off if you're uninterested in the rest of this section. This rest of this section is kind of filler. I already talked about the most important things I wanted to get off my mind. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about my membership program. So the monk's been helping me with my membership program. I've been screwing up, putting in the wrong links, and the monk's like, oh, you're doing it wrong. You're putting in the wrong link. And yeah, and he told me to decorate my my sales page a little more, like have more information, more like stuff. So you know, like he has like all his winnings. By the way, like I helped him. I didn't help him with Aurora, but you know, I think I motivated him to buy Aurora and Canopy because, you know, I talk so highly about Aurora and Canopy, and you know, it made him interested in those stocks, and that's why he went out and he took a big gamble on Aurora because he saw how much money I have in Aurora cannabis. I think so. That's a speculation on my part. If the monk's probably gonna be watching my video, so I apologize if I offended you in any way. But I think I think I am a reason why you bought into Aurora. So because you saw how much money I'm invested into Aurora, you saw how passionate I was about Aurora. So that's why you made the gamble to put into Aurora, because I know the monk is a very safe investor. He likes to make sure he makes money. He doesn't want to lose any money. That's why he doesn't invest into companies like Namaste and, you know, other high speculative stocks. He invests into the big boys like Canopy and Aurora and Amazon, and you know, AMD was he sold off AMD a little early. What he should have done was he should have took profit off it slowly instead of selling off his whole position like right away. But still, you know, he made money. He made money. PayPal, you know, like, you know, very safe companies. I'm a little opposite. I'm very ambitious. I like to grow my money very fast. It's a little more dangerous than his style. I can lose more money, but I can make so much more money at the same time. So, and then like my membership thing is kind of like bland, like oh, we offer this course to teach others what we have learned from investing in the stock market. You know, like I've been in the stock market for 8 years, a lot of experience. And then my class career, like these are all videos. I put this in for people who really don't like ads and want to watch it ad free. Maybe I'll delete this video. I don't know. This is my this shows my what is it? My corporation account for October 1st, 2018. Every week, at the end of every week, I will post my portfolio so you guys can see either if it's growing or declining. I'll be 100% transparent with you. So, and then if anybody who has like a video request, this is a new tab I added up. If somebody has a video request, post your video request in my stock market membership group. I will get back to you. I mean, I will email you guys out every time I do a video to show you guys, okay, I'm doing this video. My focus is on this video specifically. Once I'm done it, I'll go to my video request and I'll look for another video that is very popularly requested. So I'm hoping that there's a lot of active people, once my membership builds up, active people requesting videos for me to do, and then I'll release them on my stock market membership group first, for at least of the first few days or the first week, and then I'll release it on YouTube after for the rest of the people to watch. So yeah, that's just my whole plan. But I need to do some decorations. I'm not a very good decorator, but I will. And I don't know how the monk did this thing. I'm not sure, but I will try to learn. I have my business partner going to be coming here tomorrow to help me, you know, decorate this a little more, make it more appealing to people. And by the way, like the monk has 500 members paying him $19 a month. That's insane amount of money. 500 members times 19. He's making $9,500 off of his members per month. Per month, guys. That's a lot of money. I could never even make $10,000 a month ever in my entire life. The best I've ever did working for 60 hours a week was, I think, like $5,000 a month. Oh wait, yeah, $5,000 a month. So that's amazing what he's doing. He's making so much money, and all he does is he just gives people updates on his every buy and sell. I'm going above and beyond. I'm trying to do video requests, and on top of that, I'll do exclusive videos for my members. I've already, like, just these 6 videos alone make up for the $20 you're paying me. Because if you go out and you buy a book, you go out and you go buy a book about how to learn like a book on the stock market, that's like $10 or $20. Right now it's on sale. It's $20. And then once you're done with all these videos and you learn what you had to learn, you can just leave my course. You don't have to stay. You can just watch these videos and then leave my course. You paid, you know, like, you don't have to stay. Nobody's forcing you to stay. But the next time, if you decide to join, it might cost you a little more. It might cost you $40. So in the future, if you really had a video request and you wanted to join, and you just like, oh, I really want you to make this video for me, well, it's gonna cost a little bit more, you know, because after that 7 days is over, I apologize, but I have to increase pricing because you know, I want to reward the members who join early, and I don't want to just, you know, like, I want to reward the members that join early. Aurora is like very, like, their packaging is pretty bad. Like, I mean, I wanted to buy some more product from them today, but I was looking at the store and, like, they say, oh, we're out of packaging. Oh crap. Yeah, so I just wanted to say that, you know, it looks like Aurora sales are, like, on fire right now because they always like missing packaging. Either that or it's just very unorganized, one of the two. Okay, let's end it off with some Tesla. I saw these dips today. I was wondering if somebody put a price order of like 270, would they actually buy it at 270 and instantly make a profit, or is it just a glitch in the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq? Just thoughts. You know, I was planning to buy some from some Tesla, but when I woke up this morning, I noticed that it just had a massive rise in the morning. So I was like, okay, well, no longer buying, because I usually have a price target in mind. I was planning to buy this at 280. I was hoping it only had like a small rise in the morning instead of like a massive rise, like 15%. So because it rose up 15%, I'm gonna stay away from the stock because they still have an earnings report come out. If that earnings report bombed, it might create a buying opportunity for people. So yeah, it's just my thoughts a little bit about Tesla. I want to be an investor in Tesla. I truly believe in electric cars. I want to one day in the future own a self-driving electric car. So if they ever guarantee me a self-driving electric car, I will be a customer of Tesla. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.